Good morning, class. This is Niraj Tap Singh. Today I have taken the lecture of OB or topic on job satisfaction. What is job satisfaction? Firstly, we will know about that what is the job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is which job you have to fully satisfied, then you have get, then called job satisfaction. But what is the necessity of the job satisfaction? First, that it is a proper environment of doing the job. Second, proper facility provided there. Third, proper canteen and proper classes is provided there is called job satisfaction. Or industry, we have can say that everything a proper timing is available there. That like recreation timing, lunch timing, and proper time hours we have to done the job like 9 to 5 is the called job satisfaction. Then its facility will be provided, then employee will be satisfied. Then if this facility is not provided, employee will be not satisfied. So now we have got to know about the job satisfaction. First, job satisfaction. It is the integral component of any organization because any organization depend on its integral components like man, material, and machines. So, second is it is also an important element of in management employee relationship. Management employee relationship. What is the management employee relationship? It is largely depend on the any organization to what is the relation of top management and any employee of the organization like lower level or middle level. It will totally depend on the relationship because relationship is not good on there. That should be management will be not get achieve your aims or employee will be not get achieve their targets. So it is necessary for the relationship with the good build up by the management and employee. Next, definition of the job satisfaction. There is a definition of job satisfaction will be defined as the amount of overall positive effect that individual have toward their jobs. Types of job satisfaction. There are two types of job satisfaction. Firstly, personal factors. Personal factors, and secondly organizational factors. Organizational factors. For personal factors like age, gender, and education. And secondly, organizational factor is supervision, work group, third, occupational level, occupational level. Next, pay and promotion. Pay and promotion, and lastly is the security of the job. So we have looked at on a classification of the job satisfaction. There is a two parts, personal factor and organizational factor. In the personal factor, first point is the age. Age. What is the age? You have know about the age? Age means how old of you. That's called age. So that's age is a great important effect on the any organization, because any employee will be join organization, then that their age is near about 30 to 35, he will thinking about he will be established in the organization, then he will be there work on last 5 or 10 years, he will be think that he is established. Then it is not certainty, then employee will be not get a performance of the 100%. Second, gender. Every organization will be differentiated on employee on gender basis, like male and female. But now this time it will be reduces and gender equality will be come on the stage. And last is the education. Education. It is a very important part of the any organization of a personal factor. Education is the most important part of the any organization, like educational organization. Education means what to learn and how to learn, and what to teach and how to teach. So that's it's called education. And now we will come back organization factor. What is the main organization factors? There are first supervision. Supervision. What is supervision? Supervision means anybody to guide it on a time to time and supervise what are you go there doing wrong or right. Second, work group. What is work group? Work group means collective people of the group who will doing the work on the same department or the same place. Third, occupational level. What is your occupation? Every organization, every employee has a different occupation, like industry or any institutional area. Every employee has a defined his occupation on a different level. And pay and promotion. It is the most and very important part of the any organization. Any organization. Pay and promotion. It is any organization depend on any organization employee depend on this basis. He will be properly pay on time being and properly provide time being promotion. He will be give a better performance of the organization, but it will be not properly on time being proceed there. They will be performance will be decreases down on time to time, and he will not feel on he is secure on his job. And last, security of the job. What is the security of the job? What is the security of the job? Means how we have to secure on his job, because it is uncertain, then employee will be not totally satisfied to give their performance. Okay, thank you.